that I wanted to apprise you of that I think are really consequential things. You know, those of us, and I realize I'm a member of a shrinking minority. We noticed yesterday that we get a daily email from the Department of Health here in Oregon. I mean, anybody in Oregon can get it. That says, you know, what the COVID numbers are and breaks them out by county and all that kind of thing. And, you know, we were down to between 1,000 and 2,000 daily cases yesterday and the day before, but now, you know, today or yesterday, last night, I guess it was over 3,000 again. What happened? Well, you know, over the weekend, people were like, hey, it's going away, so let's go to the restaurant or let's go to the movies, and boom, you know, we've got another COVID explosion. So I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for something that's going to make me feel like, you know, I don't have to worry about getting brain fog or heart disease, basically. I mean, I'm not worried. I'm in pretty good health, even though I'm an older guy. I'm not worried about dying from COVID, but I don't want to be disabled by it. Well, two companies have now come out, Sanofi and GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, have now come out with a vaccine that was initially funded by Operation Warp Speed. Trump can take credit for this, that they claim, and they're submitting it now to the FDA and to the European authorities, that 2 doses of this new vaccine, which is not an mRNA vaccine. It is just an old-fashioned vaccine that has a piece of a protein from the virus. So the body produces antibodies to that protein. So it's injecting the protein into the body. The mRNA ones cause the body to produce its own version of the protein. But anyhow, they're claiming 100% efficacy against severe disease and hospitalizations. They also say that if you use their new vaccine, this new Sanofi GSK vaccine, as a booster after having 2 shots of Moderna or Pfizer, that it increases antibody levels 18 to 30 times. That's 1,800 to 3,000%, if I'm doing my math right. Safe and well tolerated by adults. Should be available, presumably, you know, in the next few months. So hang on to that. This is, I think this is really, really good news. Also, because it's just an old-fashioned protein vaccine. Number one, you won't have people freaking out that they think their DNA is going to be altered, which is nonsense. But hey, you know, it's got the name mRNA in it, the other vaccines. And 2, because it's just an old-fashioned protein-based vaccine, it doesn't require the draconian refrigeration. So it'll work better in third world countries and maybe be more easily available.